Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a popping game in Scratch. I'll just sign in. I'm Sonic Gav Pro. There. Create a project, and here's my project, right? So of course here we can make a no, I don't want to print it. Popping game, right? Then that's done. Now let's go on. First, let's make when green flag clicked, go to random position. But shouldn't it be forever? So let's add in forever loop. There, let's see. But it's too fast, so let's add a wait 1 second. Good. Now let's make a new costume. Naming it blank. And this one, we can just name player. Or no, let's just say costume. Yeah, I don't know. Just name it whatever you like. Now on the blank sprite, zoom out as much as you can and make the costume totally white. Then go to the rectangle and don't fill the outline. 0. Then let's go to Lux and go to front layer, but instead of front, let's switch to back. And let's say when green flag clicked. Good. Now here, let's add when this sprite clicked. Then let's say, then say go to random position. Let's try it out. Oh, good. Now I'm touching it. Boop, bop, bop. Shouldn't we add a score, do you think? Yeah, good idea. Let's make a new variable. I'll just delete this variable. Naming it score for all sprites. Here. And let's say change score by 1 and set score by to 0. Boop. Shouldn't we add more costumes? Let's right click this costume, but instead let's just name it costume 1. No, not costume 1. Let's just name it costume. Yeah, I don't know why. But there. Now instead of using this one, I'm going to choose a sprite. I would pick a ball A. I'll just delete this and I'll move the A there. Then we have the same code. Then you can add as much as you like. I'll right click, duplicate this, and this should be costume. I don't know why I'm calling it that. And here I'll choose a sprite again, and I will just an apple. There. Then you have your own game. And thanks for watching. And please make sure, if you like to, please subscribe to my channel.